Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Zimbabwean socialite and pastor Jackie Ngarande has sparked a conversation online after describing the value and warmth that single mothers bring into relationships. In a Facebook post, Ngarande said dating a single mother with a kind and a genuine heart can be one of the most beautiful experiences. Dating a single mother with a kind and a genuine heart can be one of the most beautiful experiences, she wrote. Many single mothers know the value of love, commitment, sacrifice, and loyalty because life has taught them resilience. The pastor said single mothers often bring compassion and stability into relationships. When she truly cares about you, she'll do her best to make you feel welcomed, appreciated, and at home. She often brings warmth, compassion, and a nurturing spirit into the relationship, making you feel safe, supported, and loved, she said. The post has drawn over 1,000 reactions, with many followers agreeing with Ngarande's sentiments, while others shared their own experiences. Jackie Ngarande is known for her motivational messages on family, faith, and relationships. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.